Tesla has actually tremendous capability in real-world AI. It's like, I'm not even sure who's second, frankly.
Their fleet is traveling over 1 million miles every 14 hours. That compares to just 2 million miles in the cumulative lifetime of Cruise, which is GM's autonomous car project.
Tesla will have sort of a ChatGPT moment.
I don't think that all of the traditional automakers will be able to achieve full autonomy.
Suddenly, 3 million cars will be able to drive themselves with no one.
Elon Musk said that he'd be willing to license Autopilot technology. The advantage that Tesla has in software and in data is unparalleled. All automakers should be pursuing full autonomy. Any automaker that does not really won't survive over the next decade. That's the future of the auto industry.
In terms of electric vehicles, it's Tesla's world. Everyone else paying rent.
Tesla is still at least 3 years ahead of the competition on all fronts, on electrification.
Now we've got all these companies basically giving up and saying, we're coming to you, Tesla, for the charging standard, GM, Ford, and Rivian.
Tesla's becoming the North American charging standard.
The Model Y is now the #1 selling vehicle in California. By the way, by a wide margin. They're way, way ahead of everybody in the state.
Margins will trough out, and I think ultimately expand to Q4 in next year. Ultimately, there's the drum roll to a sub $30,000 vehicle. That's where demand really starts to expand. Those price cuts, that was the poker move that they really needed to make to put an iron fence around their install base. For the bulls, right now, they're just getting stronger. Investors now are starting to realize what this has really been. It's about the AWS moment.
Our price target for Tesla over the next 5 years is roughly $2,000 per share.
Is this $1.5 trillion or higher?
Bernstein here, $150 price target. We struggle to justify the rally in fundamental terms. The clearest sentiment catalysts have been market perception of Tesla as an AI company, as well as Tesla's charging standard becoming the de facto standard in North America.
Look, for the bears, I mean, they hate it at 20 billion, 50 billion, 100 billion, and where it is today. They're always going to have that view. Margins are troughing, and investors now are starting to realize that dream scenario as they get through to 2 million units, to 3. Cybertruck comes out later this year. This was the quarter. The bears were saying, this is it. They're going to miss the quarter. And ultimately, they go into July 4th with fireworks. The bears, they'll continue to yell fire in a crowded theater.
They're building a humanoid robot. That's something that these other companies really cannot match. They plan to have 100 exaflops of training capacity by the end of 2024. That's up from 4.6. So they're also going to have access to training that they can use for full self-driving, for their other AI projects that really very few companies have even access to, and they're actually building it in-house.